Yes, sir. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Yeah. Tell me yourself, Chandu.
Yes, sir. Thank you for giving this opportunity. My name is Chandrasekhar Natkula, and I have completed my graduation from Dr. SGIT Markapur in the stream of Computer Science and Engineering.
Okay.
Yes, sir. That's
Okay. What are the things that you have done your graduation? Graduation projects.
my project name is detecting malicious social bots using machine automata. In that project, we it helps to find out the fake tweets or fake posts
Okay. And what basis it is going to identify?
by
How?
using post link.
Okay. In the link itself, you can able to identify the things.
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Any languages that you are preferred while testing your application or else detecting your things? Type of language you are using?
Yes, sir. We have used Java programming, MySQL, and NetBeans.
Tell me about Java.
Yes, sir. Java is an high-level programming language, and
And what is the reason behind it? Why you are using Java instead of going for Python? Why you choose Java itself? Any reason that why you are choosing Java in your project apart from going for other programming languages? What is this worked as chief of the organization community for
yes, sir.
AMERGE 2019? What the AMER stands for?
Emerge. It's Emerge.
Oh.
G stands for our college name.
Oh, okay.
19 stands for year of event.
Event held on it, right?
Yes, sir.
So, what are the leadership qualities?
Leadership qualities is nothing but we need to manage the environment. We need to control the environment which is going on, and we need to support the people who is working under us. But we don't want we can't show arrogance or we need to show our dignity, sir.
What is your weakness?
Yes, sir. My weakness is I can't feel free if it is any work is there for me. I can't feel free until it should be completed.
Then how can you overcome this?
Sir?
How can you overcome this weakness?
Yes, sir. I will try to manage my time so that I can overcome this my weakness.
Okay, you're written hardworking and able to work under pressure, right?
Yes, sir.
Give me one example.
Yes, sir. I will give my own experience. In COVID time, so many of people lost their jobs. But at that time, my personally, my family is also facing the issues. But at that time, I didn't feel pressure because we have a small business which is related to garment textile business. So first quarter of the year, I think it's almost there. At the time, my father is not willing to purchase the stocks and all these things. So, but at the time, I took risk. So, I gave a courage to my father, and I tried to motivate him to purchase the stocks. My thought is, COVID is an opportunity, sir, for my surrounding area. So that's why I motivated him, and I purchased the stock. We got huge profits in that time. So I took the opportunity from that particular pandemic situation. I can handle the pressure and I can handle the risk which is going on or which is going to happen in future also.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what are the good on the concepts in manual testing?
I'm efficient in SDLC and STLC phases, defect life cycle, and functional and non-functional concepts.
Okay.
Yes.
Tell me why defect will be rejected.
Defect will be rejected. Actually, defect will be rejected by developer, sir. When developer is not having the time, nothing but lack of time, or when it is planned to next sprint,
Then it will be default, right? Not rejected. Why developer will reject the defect?
If it is invalid or duplicate, then the developer will reject the defect.
Who will review the defect?
QA lead.
QA lead, right?
Yes, sir.
They will review the defect.
Yes, sir.
If the defect is correct only, they will assign to developer, right?
Yes, sir.
If the defect is incorrect, then why they are assigning the developer, making the defect rejected?
When they don't have knowledge or miscommunications has happened, then it will become like that.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what is the difference between a retested and reopen?
Retested is nothing but a defect fixing is happened by the developer. A bug is fixed from the developer, then it will be retested.
Why?
We need to check the
By to whom you will assign the defect then?
QA member, sir.
Okay. Then what will reopen?
Reopen means if it is failed, then it will be reassigned to developer. then developer will reopen the defect.
Developer will reopen. Who will reopen the defect?
No sir, QA lead will open.
QA lead. Then what QA member will do?
QA member will check the whether it is passed or failed.
If it is failed,
Sir,
if it is failed,
if it is failed, it is reassigned.
reassigned.
Yes sir.
To whom?
Developers.
By whom?
QA member.
Then why you told that QA lead?
Sorry.
Okay. And what is the difference between a system defining and test execution?
System defining is the one of the phase in SDLC. That means a software development life cycle. It is a second. System defining is nothing but second phase. In that second phase, developer team, all the team members will discuss about the requirements and how project should be start and how it should be, and they will discuss about the entire journey of the project. Sir. Yes. Sir.
Okay.
Test execution is nothing but after implementation, testing team QA team will involve and execute the test cases whether it is expected results are getting or not according to the requirements or not.
Okay. Now let's take you found a defect.
Yes sir.
You raise a defect to developer.
Yes sir.
Developer straight away reject the defect.
Yes sir.
But the defect is valid defect.
Okay.
What you will do?
We need to plan that into next sprint.
Again, developer reject the defect. You raise a defect n number of times. Developers keep on reject the defect. Then what you will do? But the defect is valid itself.
Yes sir. We need to explain by using comments.
You told that is a defect. Again, developer tells that I am not going to take the defect. I am going to reject it.
Personally, we need to send a mail by explaining the issue.
Still he is rejecting the defect.
No sir, I didn't cover that topic.
Okay. What is the difference between a regression and retesting?
Yes sir. Regression testing is nothing but when new requirements or features are added to the existing requirements, then it will be undergoes into regression testing. Retesting is nothing but when a bug fix happened by a developer, then QA team or nothing but QA member will retest the requirements or a project.
Mm-hmm.
Yes sir.
Can you write test cases on your shirt?
My shirt.
Don't write all those descriptions step by steps. I just want to know the names itself. Write 4 or 5 names.
Yes,
Yeah?
right.
Okay, good. So, my last question can be,
Yes.
so we are having STLC versus SDLC, right?
Yes,
In
sir.
SDLC only we are covering STLC.
Yes sir.
Then what is the main agenda going for STLC? Already we are covering SDLC, right? So
Yes.
why again going for STLC, studying SDLC?
Yeah, sir. Basically, a project motto is providing exact needs or requirements which are delivering to the customer.
Mm-hmm.
So we need to follow some rules, right? So that's why a separate process is designed that is called STLC. So without having STLC process, we can't fulfill the requirements of the customer. By introducing this STLC, we can fulfill the requirements or needs or wants of the customer.
Okay, that's
Yes,
it from me and Chandu. Do you have any questions?
No, sir. I'm expecting feedback from you, sir.
How you rate yourself now? So you know it, right? How you perform the interview?
Yes,
Good,
yes.
bad, average, or any improvements that you needed?
Yes, sir. Actually, I'm feeling tense.
It happens to
I
any
need
of
to.
you.
I need to rectify that. Yes.
Okay, technically you're good, but the only thing is that's what that fearness has to be overcome that from
Yes.
your side, so that you'll be good on your position.
Yes.
Okay, thank you then.